What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Clay with Dreamedia Home Theater. Clay is our BTZ preferred installer out here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You guys know that we have started the Dreamedia Installs channel. You guys got to hop over there and subscribe. We'll drop a link somewhere in here for you guys. But he is the guy on the streets here in DFW showing you exactly how the work is physically performed to that 5-star service that we believe in. Now, we're here in Highland Park right now. We're going to take you into this home right here behind us and show off a really cool system that was literally completed moments ago. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's get in there and check it out. All right, guys, now we're in the house. This is the entryway, and the room that we're working on is upstairs. So we're gonna take you upstairs and show you the project. This is a really cool house, guys. Hope this gets you some inspiration. All right, guys, so this is the space that we're working with, and I'm gonna have Clay, I'm gonna pass the microphone over to him, and he's gonna give you the lowdown on exactly what was done here. Here you go, Clay.
Hey guys, Clay here. So we installed this system, we upgraded his system to an OLED 65-inch TV, Sony, a Denon S750H AVR, and then to automate everything, that's just the upgrades, we have the MRX5. This is our brain to the system here, so you program this. One touch of a button controls everything. So we also integrated a TDC 7100 tablet, which is this guy here.
Beautiful, nice interface.
And if you see here, this is our main.
So this is expandable, correct?
Yes, you
can. You kind of give like a rundown on potential opportunities to utilize this in different settings and like the capabilities of the system?
You can have HEOS, Sonos, you can Alexa, Google, anything that you want to do, you can integrate in the system. If you want to listen to music, as you saw here, we have an entertainment button, a music button in your settings. So entertainment, in this house in particular, we have a cable TV, Blu-ray, Apple, the TV apps, and those things like that. If we go back to the music, we have all of our music here. Our CD player, which is, I'll show you here in a second, Pandora, TuneIn, Deezer. I mean, you have all your music capabilities here.
This is an expandable system, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you can make this your one control for the entire house, or you can get these in every single room.
Yes.
You could have it to where it's broken out: family room, kitchen.
I've done a 7 or 11 bedroom house with 11 zones of audio, all in one tablet.
So that's what I was getting at, is that this is a all-in-one solution, guys, for you guys out there that don't want 15 remotes and to run around the house for hours on end trying to get everything running. You can hit one button press and easily fire up the entire house with a system like this. This is URC.
Right, so you see family room up here. In this home right now, we only have a family room, but you can add multiple rooms here.
Yep.
So you'll go to family room, you choose your room, and in that room, wherever you're at, you choose what you want to do. You want to listen to music, you can listen to music. You want to watch Apple TV, you can watch Apple TV, no matter what room you're in.
Perfect.
So you can just carry around the house, you can use your telephone, you can use a remote if you want to, but that's not the point of the system.
Yeah, absolutely. So, what model TV did you go with?
I do not know the model here.
This is an OLED Sony TV.
Yeah.
We can provide TVs for you guys. We only do that if we're going to be delivering the TV and installing it, though. We do not ship TVs. They get broken and people fraud us.
Yes.
All right, so what else do we got?
So over here we got the 5-disc. It's a bit older equipment, but we can still integrate older equipment if we have the codes into this new system. So it's an older Sony 5-disc CD changer and an older Sony AVR, audio video receiver. And this actually is our whole house music. We have speakers over the house that were already previously installed. There's 2 right there. They look like can lights. We're gonna replace those soon. because of the yellow rims there. We did replace the rears because of the yellow rims. We've installed the 8-inch episode 350Ts. But this runs the whole house music, goes to our speaker selector box, and if he wanted to, he does have the capability to play it in this room as well. So let me just show you on the TDC 7100 as you watch the screen here. So right now we're watching Apple, of course. Menu is our back button on Apple. So we hit menu, menu, menu. We are going to do a network upgrade to a Arachnus 510. So there we go. We're on Apple here.
Yeah, so the reason that he just mentioned the network upgrade is because you saw how that lagged. We were explaining this to the customer earlier. When you have a really high quality network, like he's just running off the factory AT&T router, which really is designed for very small homes or apartments. They'll sell you or give you, I don't know, depending on the area you're in, but the ISP will give you a little plug-in extender, but they don't even work well. We actually sell aftermarket Wi-Fi systems, mesh networks that will allow you to seamlessly run throughout the entire home and have high-speed internet, so that when you're utilizing a control system like this, or even if you're just playing music over like Hios or Sonos, it's going to give you the ability to rapidly change your sources and channels and basically just control your home seamlessly with a very efficient speed.
And so right now you guys saw, were you flipped?
What?
Were you flipped
No.
on your face? Okay, sorry. So right now, guys, you see we switched to the cable TV. We have guide. Guide pops up. Sorry, guide pops up here. You want to exit the guide, exit. You can do your full numbers, 100, 108. This is network. This network, man.
Yeah, so again, back to the network. He said he ran a speed test and we were running 4 megabits per second.
Yeah.
So typical speeds that we're used to in 2021 are like 500 to a gig.
Yes.
So huge difference in how rapid this could potentially operate.
And these MRX5s work best with 10 plus, so 10 download speed plus. Anything below 10, you're gonna have lag issues. You can see the red sensors on each device. When I hit something, you can see them go off. Okay.
Like in that situation, it worked quick,
Very
but that's
fast.
not always gonna be the case.
Exactly. And on the back of this, so we haven't done the network upgrade yet, okay? So we have a piece called an IO gear. An IO gear, it's a Wi-Fi to Ethernet adapter. So this little piece, let's see if I can even get to it. This piece here.
While he's doing that, you guys got to subscribe to the channel down below, because something really unique was done on this project. I was just stopping in to help with some training, and I saw that he was installing a amplifier for a earpiece, what is it called?
A hearing aid.
A hearing,
Yes.
It's a hearing aid amplifier for the audio video system, so that
Yes.
the customer can hear the dialogue better, literally in his ear.
Yes.
So I'm gonna make a separate video on that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. I thought that was really unique and something that I've never put on our channel before.
So this, guys, right here is an IO gear Wi-Fi to Ethernet adapter. What this does, he doesn't have any network runs over here. So what this does is take your Wi-Fi and make it into an Ethernet, because these will not work on Wi-Fi. Your brain will not work on Wi-Fi. It has to have an Ethernet connection. So in this particular case, there is no Ethernet connection, and you can see we have no attic to run one. We usually would run our own network wire and make this happen, but we had to add this little device here, and it's a Wi-Fi. Yes, it's working properly. Yeah. And as you can see on the MRX5, we have power and network, and that's all coming from that little device there, from the router that's on the other side of the house.
Very nice.
Very, very nice.
All of these little things that he's talking about, we sell, guys. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We itemize everything line by line, and we'll find something that fits your exact needs and budget.
And then yes, the speaker selector box. We have kitchen, office, patio. I believe that's the only 3 there. And then our main room here, we can also listen to the CDs if we wanted to.
And in the future, this is kind of an older system. Basically, it's a splitter.
Yes.
For speakers. In the future, he could have the ability to do Denon Hios in every individual zone.
There you go.
And then he could control all of that individually. So say he is in the kitchen, he could just put on music in the kitchen, separate from the TV playing in the living room. Or when you're entertaining, you could group all of that together right through the app and control the volume.
Yep.
I just wanted to point that out, that
Yes,
it is
sir.
an option.
And that will run off of your Denon, which has Hios built into it. So you don't have to buy another device.
Yep.
You get a $400 to $600 receiver, right? A $650, $750, whatever you would like, and you use your you buy up your AVR here into this guy. So whenever you have your Hios on, you can select which room you want that to play in. Right now, he doesn't want to veer away from his 5-disc here.
Yep.
So that's why we're using it right now. But eventually in the future, he might want it. And
Nice.
we'll install it for him, no problem.
All right, guys, well, that is an overview on this system. I hope that you enjoyed this content and found it inspirational as to something that you could do in your own home. Now, if you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and share your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We are expanding into many territories throughout the country, and we have nationwide free shipping on everything, guys. And make sure to ask about our preferred installers. Just like Clay here, everybody on our team believes in 5-star work. We will not leave your home until you are 100% satisfied. We really pride ourselves on that. All right, well, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Clay with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dreamedia, come back! We need you!